bad habit lives on autopilot. Signal, reaction, automatic in the same time. Stress, cigarette. Tension, alcohol. Tiredness, phone. Sadness, sweet. Boredom, scrolling. Impulse, reaction, the same time. But when you place 10-minute gap between signal and reaction, you interrupt the old code. You do not fight the habit. You disarm it. You weaken the signal. First example, cigarettes. You feel the urge to smoke. Normally, your hand goes straight to the cigarette. But this time you say, okay, I will smoke. I can do it, but in 10 minutes. And during that time, you go for a walk. You breathe deeply. You drink something, water with salt, for example. And it takes 10 minutes. Calm your breath. After that 10 minutes, you notice something important. The craving is no longer as strong as it was at the beginning. Even if you will smoke after the 10 minutes, you will do that every single day, and within a couple of weeks, the signal will weaken. Because an impulse works like a wave. First it rises, then it reaches a peak, and then it starts to fall. Signal reaction at the peak is strong, but when it falls, the signal was there, but your reaction is weak. The problem is that most people react exactly at the top of the wave, when the signal is strong, not when it's weak. You do not have to win the whole war, remember that. You only have to wait 10 minutes. Second example, alcohol. You come home after a hard work, you have your body's tense, your head is tired. A thought arises.
I need a drink.
I need to clear my mind. But maybe the body is not really saying I need alcohol. Maybe the body is saying I need relief. I need to come down from tension. I need to feel that the day is over. So instead of saying I am not allowing to drink, I will not drink, it's not good, say to yourself, first, signal is there, I need a drink, but I wait 10 minutes. I will drink that, but in 10 minutes. I will delay the gratification. Eat something normal. Go outside for a fresh air. Sit without your phone. Do a few slow, deep breaths. Because sometimes alcohol is not a need. It is a shortcut to regulation of your nervous system. And if you give the body another form of relief, the body impulse may weaken. And in 10 minutes you can find yourself not even willing to drink alcohol
anymore.
Third example, sweeteners at night. In the evening you feel like, eating something sweet. Not always, because the body truly needs sugar. Sometimes because the day was hard, it's over and you need a relief. There was stress, there was many decisions to make, there was tension, there was nervous system. And the nervous system wants a quick reward. Instead of saying, I cannot eat sweets, say to yourself, first, the signal is there, I need sweets. But first I will make tea, I will drink it and wait 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna eat them. Or even, first I wanna brush my teeth and then I will eat the sweeteners. Or even, first, I see the signal, eating sweeteners, I will eat something real, and after that, 10 minutes pass and I will eat something normal and eat sweeteners after the meal. These are small steps, but they change the direction of the decision, of the signal, of the wave. Because a bad habit very often needs
immediacy.
It needs immediacy. Signal, reaction, immediately. If you take away its immediacy, you take away a part of its power. For example, the phone in the morning. You wake up, the first reflex phone, messages, notifications, social media. Open the eyes and you see the screen, blue color, blue screen. And before you even get out of the bed, your brain already receives chaos, comparison, information, stress, dopamine, instead of saying, I will never do that again. Never again I will use my phone in the morning. Say to yourself, phone, yes, but in 10 minutes. Get up, drink water, open the window, go to the toilet. Move your body. Take a few breaths, 10 minutes. This changes the atmosphere. This does not look like a big change to your mind, to you, consciously, but your nervous system is an entire different story. The animal brain which you have inside of you is seeking for that signal and reaction at the same time, and you postpone that reaction. That does not begin on autopilot. It is calculated. Decision, signal, but decision for 10 minutes, delaying. You are not operating on autopilot, which the brain loves to do. So the day begins with your choice, with my choice, not with a habit. And the morning sets the whole day. Remember that. If you make the first conscious choice in the morning by having signal and reaction postponed, you are not operating on autopilot. You have greater chance of making a great day until the evening. Fifth example, scrolling at night. In the evening, you are tired, You sit down for a moment, you take a phone, and suddenly 1 hour passes, and then another one. You got to sleep later than you wanted. In the morning, you're tired, and the whole cycle begins again and again. Instead of saying never, I will never do that again, this scrolling at night, say to yourself, first 10 minutes without phone, and then I can scroll. Put the phone from you away. Stretch your body. Prepare your clothes for the morning. Write 3 sentences in your notebook. Or simply lay down and breathe calmly. After 10 minutes, you can still decide. But very often, the impulse longer gets weaker and has not the same power anymore. Because this is not about banning life from yourself. It is about recovering the space between stimulus and reaction, signal postponement reaction, not autopilot, control. Habits, bad habits, are not only cigarettes, alcohol, food, or phone. We have all of them, a lot of them. Habits are also the way you react under pressure, on an automatic way, on autopilot. And then and now the most important part, this method works because it does not require perfection. You do not have to instantly become a person who never smokes, never drinks, never eats sweeteners, never scrolls, and always stays calm. No, that would be another form of pressure. You only have to do one thing. Delay the autopilot 10 minutes, 5 minutes, even 1 minute. Signal, wait, and then react. Whatever is possible at the current moment in your life. Because every pause like this teaches the brain a new piece of information. Impulse is not automatic reaction. It is controlled, postponed. An impulse is not an order, because I can decide to postpone the reaction. A craving does not have to become a decision. Attention does not have to end in the old behavior. When you do this once, maybe nothing huge happens. But when you do it every day, your identity begins to change. From a person who reacts automatically, uncontrolled signal reaction, into a person who can wait, postpone between signal and reaction. And the person who can wait starts to regain control. Not through fight, not through pressure, not even through self-hate, but through one small step. So today, do not ask yourself, can I change my whole life? Ask, can I wait 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute to postpone the time between signal and reaction? Because sometimes those 10, 5, 1 minute decide whether the old habit code, wins again, or whether for the first time you show your brain, I am controlling that situation. I do not have to follow the impulse. I can choose differently. Yeah? And this is where the real change begins. This was Habit Code. I hope that movie gave you some insight. Read the Kaizen book, but don't need to. Only postpone 5, 10, 1 minute. More of these information you will find in my book, which is upcoming between June and July. It will be released, the Nervous System Reset Protocol. And as for now, all the best, Christ King. Christ King. Amen.